Hello everyone, welcome back to Epitagus Dumbbox, and I'm back with the new video. This time the topic is a little bit different. It's not technical, it's more about finance. So you must have heard the news about the rebate on income tax up to 5 lakh rupees in budget 2019, and everyone were happy that yeah, it's a good change and everyone will be benefited for because of the same. But the truth is different. So you must have seen the title of the video. The point is like why I think the income tax rebate up to 5 lakh in the budget 2019 is fundamentally wrong. So there are multiple changes regarding income tax in the budget 2019, but these are the mainly. I'll talk about these two changes. The first change is standard deduction limit hike from 40,000 to 50,000. Yes, yes. So this will be beneficial for all of us, all salaried people, irrespective of whatever slab they fall into. So I don't have any issue with that, but I have mentioned it so that people won't get confused that I am considering this or not. So I don't have any issue with this. But the second change which they have made, I have main issue with that only, and I'll explain you what is fundamental wrong thing which they have done. So the thing is, individual taxpayer with annual income up to 5 lakh will get full tax rebate. This was the statement which was given in the budget by Piyush Goyal. So everyone was happy, including me. Like everyone was happy that now the tax of rupees 12,500 will be saved by everyone who have uh, income more than 5 lakh. It was like that, so everyone was happy, but that is not the fact, that is not the truth. So I will tell you what exactly happened. So the thing is, only people whose taxable income is up to rupees 5 lakh, only those people will get rebate up to 12,500 rupees. Okay, if there is any person whose taxable income after all the deduction, all the all tax redemption policies and everything, ATC and all other thing, if somehow his taxable income is 5 lakh 1 rupees, then he has to pay 12,500 more tax. So to clarify that, I have given some examples as well. The fundamental wrong thing is this. I'll explain this. Like taxable income of rupees 4.99 lakhs is better than taxable income of rupees 5.01 lakhs, and this is the most wrong thing I have seen. Because uh, let me explain you like what is the exact point. Like there is one person whose taxable income is 4.9 lakhs, and he'll get rebate of rupees 12,500 tax. So he doesn't have to pay any tax. So the amount which he can spend on himself or his family is 4 lakh 99,000. But there is one more person whose taxable income is 5.01 lakhs, and right now, since it is greater than 5 lakhs, he is not eligible for that rebate of 12,500. So that's why he has to pay 12,500 as a tax, more tax, extra tax. So the amount which he is left with to use or spend on himself or his family is 4 lakh 88,000. So this is the exact point which I am talking about. So I can understand like the people who earn more money has to pay more tax, but it is always in the proportion. Here you can see the person is earning just little bit more, like 2 rupees more, but that 2 rupees more, due to that he has to pay 12,500 more tax. So some people might be thinking that I haven't considered any kind of redemption or anything. So that is not the case. If I even if I consider that, that won't change the picture any, like in any way, because all kind of redemption and everything like ATC or any HRA or anything, that will be applicable in both the scenario in the same way. But still I'll show you that as well. Like I have taken two use cases, two cases. Like one person, his CTC is 6,99,999 rupees. The 150 1 lakh 1.5 lakhs rupees redemption due to ATC, then 50,000 standard deduction. So that's why the taxable income is 4 lakh 99,000 and 999 rupees. So the total tax to be paid is 0 rupees because of the change which I have mentioned above. So the amount which he can use for himself or his family is 4 lakh 99,999 rupees. But in second scenario, the CTC is 7 lakhs 1 rupees, just 2 rupees extra from case 1. So in this case he has made same investment in under 80C, the same standard deduction he has got. Now the problem is his taxable income is just 2 rupees more from the first case, but now he doesn't get that tax benefit because he is just 1 rupee above the 5 lakh limit. So that's why he has to pay 12,500 extra tax, and the amount he is left with to spend on himself or his family is 4,87,000. So you can see the difference here and here. So basically the total difference in salary is 2 rupees. What actually exactly happened, he has to pay 12,500 extra tax. So the bottom line is extra income of rupees 2 made the person lose the total amount of rupees 12,500 just because of the silly change. It is basically very silly change made in the income tax budget, income tax in budget 2019. So now some people will tell me that I can make charity, I can do anything to reduce this those 2 rupees and everything like that. You can consider HRA. If I consider anything, that won't change picture in any way, because only numbers will change, but in particular proportion. But this scenario will be always there with the margin, with the difference of rupees 2. It will always be there. And one more thing, like making charity, donating into someone, like uh, not much people are aware of that. Like don't put their uh, energy mind into this kind of stuff, especially IT people. uh, like they just work on their domain, like whatever their stream, and they earn money. Everyone, like rules should be very easy for like all the citizen of India. Everyone will not think like what is the scenario and what should happen, what should not happen, like that. And some of you will also say that this is very hypothetical situation or something like that, but it is not. So I have mentioned one real scenario as well. You can see, you can consider two friends working in the same IT company and with same CTC, about around 6.7 lakhs. uh, and like now in coming March, the appraisal will start, and somehow the first friend worked hard and managed to get A band, and he got some raise in CTC, and his package turned into 7.05 lakhs. And the second friend was not working good enough up to the mark, and he got C band, and due to that his promotion, his raise was less, and his CTC was changed to 6.95 lakhs. And you can see from the above calculations, definitely 6.95 lakh CTC person will be more happy because he saved his tax. Like he doesn't have to pay 12,000 extra tax. Like, so this is very wrong fundamentally. The people who are working more or something like that, uh, who deserve more, will be remain with less amount compared to those who have uh, less CTC or less money. So now the question for you is, who will be happy, the first friend or second friend in above scenario? And the second question is, should it happen? Should Is this the way the policy should be made? So the answer is your, you can put your opinions in the comment box, and like the link for this black blog post will be provided in the description box. You can visit my blog post. It is newly designed now, and I'm aware that this is not the very good news I have provided in this video, but this is the true fact which is happening. I know, I'm uh, I have given you the true fact, and this is how it is here. So if you like the clarity, the way I explain stuff, and if you think I have explained it in the better way or in easy way, then please like this video, and to help me, to encourage me, please subscribe to my channel. That will help me in a big way. And thank you very much, and bye bye.